Hi, I'm Hassan. I'm subject lead engineering and I'm program lead for mechanical engineering here at DMU University, Dubai. This is a 3 years UK curriculum education we are offering, same as in Leicester, in which we provide a holistic experience, learning, training around core modules of mechanical engineering that is very much embedded into our labs, where we offer hands-on practices as well as you get to analyze the data, you get to work on a case study and all of these things. What we also offer in our 3 years program is that we offer very immersive student experience in terms of industry exposure by regular site visits to our UAE industry. We also get our guest speakers from different industrial backgrounds to come and interact and talk to the students, and also we work very closely with them in terms of arranging student internships for them in the summer. What we also make sure is that our assessments, the way we assess your work is quite diverse. It can be an open book exam, it can be a lab assessment that you have to conduct, analyze data and write about it. It could also be a group presentation, a group project in which you're supposed to make something. All these different ways of assessing, give us the flexibility so that they don't get trapped in certain way of assessment. Yeah, we make sure to make you ready for the industry, no matter what career path you want to take after this one. It could be, working in the industry, taking on your master's or PhD pursuit to education, or it could be starting your own business. So whatever you want to take up after the program, we make sure you're ready to take it up. If you need any more details, you can contact me, you can contact the recruitment admissions team, and also you can sign up for our upcoming open days in which you can get chance to speak to my faculty members, my team. You can see the lab and see how we are giving you the best possible education in UAE. Thank you.